Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Wise to transfer money internationally. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, type in wise.com and make sure you're signed into your Wise account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. After that, once you're on the home page, select Send under the welcome message. Then select the currency you want to send the money from, for example, Great British Pounds. Then select the currency you want the recipient to receive, like us. Now, type the amount you want to send. For example, if you enter 50 pounds, you'll see the converted US amount. If you want the recipient to receive an exact amount, edit the second field instead, and the first one will adjust automatically. Then scroll down and select how you want to send the payment. Click on Change, and over here you'll see options like bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or Swift transfer. The easiest and lowest fee method is bank transfer, so that's the one we'll go with. If you want to schedule the payment, click on the Schedule button and choose a date. Otherwise, leave it to send instantly. Click on Total Fees to see the exact charge. Once you're satisfied, click on Add Recipient. If the recipient has a Wise account, you can search them by email or phone number, or you can enter their bank details directly. Select who you're paying yourself, someone else, or a business. We'll choose someone else. Then enter the recipient's email. If you already know their bank details, check the box and fill them in. If not, uncheck it and Wise will email them for details. Since we know them, we'll fill in the banking info. For some transactions, you'll need to switch from local to Swift depending on the recipient's bank and country. So we'll select Swift for sending money internationally and press confirm. Now, you may need to verify your identity. You can do this by scanning a QR code with your phone or using a verification link. It will ask for documents like your passport or driver's license. After verification, you'll be asked the reason for using Wise. Select an option like paying for goods or services, then continue. Answer how much you expect to send and the purpose of the transfer, then press submit. Now, you'll see a full breakdown of the recipient's details, the amount they're receiving, and the amount you're sending. If everything looks good, scroll down and select Continue to Payment. Next, link your bank account. Select your bank from the list. You can scan a QR code with your phone to send the payment directly. After the payment is sent, come back to the Wise homepage and click on Transactions on the left-hand side to view your recent transfers. So that's basically how you can use Wise to transfer money internationally. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.